तो पहले ये पहनते थे हम।
पहले ये पहना था।
और ये देखो KKR चैंपियंस। Well done. As you can see, fan camps like never before in the fireworks. How about that? And what timing? KKR winning it and in some style. SRH fans have walked out quite early and understandably so.
Disappointed. I don't know. Maybe I don't have any words to say because even my kid also came for his first final, but he's also disappointed.
Disgraceful.
They won the toss and they batted first. Was that a dream for an SRH fan?
True. But actually, I personally thought he might have chosen to bowl first because last time they had the KKR, it was a similar way. They didn't perform really well. But yeah.
Professional cricket, and there was no partiality or nothing. It was just cricket and all.
And having it on a common ground, there is no supporter for SRH. Everybody was supporting everywhere.
Yeah.
It was so good to see.
Why is KKR the best team right now?
Because they played good the whole season.
And you're not happy. You don't feel that happy.
Not that much. I'm CSK.
Oh, like that. Tell me that from the start of the interview, child.
I think this is the most one-sided final that I've ever seen.
Yes, one-sided final.
Pitch was very, very slow, but KKR batted, better than SRH batted. So I think SRH had a bit of an off day today.
I was hoping that KKR wins, but it was amazing. It was a one-sided match from the beginning itself, so amazing.
The experience was amazing, but the game was one-sided.
Kudos to KKR. They deserve it. They deserve all the celebrations.
I thought SRH big hitting team, KKR big hitting team, big totals today, but nothing happened. Nothing.
We expected targets of 250 and stuff.
Cummins always plays well when the crowd is opposite to him. He silenced the crowd in Ahmedabad. He silenced the crowd when the entire crowd was supporting RR in the eliminator. Today we were all supporting SRH. Probably he didn't know whom to silence.
GDLJ में बड़ी बातें छोटी what is it? अरे आगे
बड़ी देशों में छोटी बातें होती हैं.
होते रहता है वो सब.
Who were you supporting today?
I was supporting cricket.
You were supporting cricket.
हम एक्चुअली साइंस की तरफ से सर, साइंस की तरफ से.
So basically, Travis Head, if you noticed, got bowled by Stark in the previous game. So he didn't take strike. He put Abhishek Sharma to strike and he got bowled.
मुझे नहीं आता, इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है. मास्टर है मास्टर.
What was the experience of watching a game in India like? Because you've heard so much about it.
It transcended my expectations. I think there is India. To say India is the home of cricket it is the center of the universe for cricket. Yeah. In my opinion.
No, he's got a point.
We were in the 8th place and 10th place, and the man, the myth, the legend, taking us to the top 2 position in the IPL was phenomenal.
Okay. Jeet bajaye re. Cricket.com.
आप मेरे हिसाब से मुंबई नहीं आ सकते हैं.
तो मेरे को कहाँ आना है?
Would you want Gautam Gambhir as India's next coach?
It's not up to me, but yeah, I would take him up.
Gautam Gambhir was there. He was sitting silently, but we could understand every move. It was Gautam Gambhir at the back.
He's one of the unsung heroes of the World Cup team as well. And in the recent interview with Ashwin, I believe, he said, people don't come here to see me smile. They come here to watch me win.
I believe it's the hard work from every team member. So not just about the Gautam Gambhir factor, but amazing work done by everyone.
The rejoining of GG helped them a lot. The mentorship of him, the aggressiveness. He may be calm and composed inside, but the aggressiveness is in their blood.
It is wonderful. Maybe Gautam Gambhir should join the national duty now.
Now, do you think he's Team India coach next?
He can be. It will be great to see Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir together in one team, one dressing room.
यार तेरे में इतना गुस्सा क्यों है?
कहाँ गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ?
देख, ये बोलने में भी गुस्सा हो रहा है.
अरे फिर से बोलता, कहाँ गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ?
Everyone is praising Gautam Gambhir and rightly so. But what about Shreyas Iyer, the captain?
Yeah, it's been fantastic. You may have seen him at the bottom of the number of runs scorer list or something, but his bowling rotations have been on point. If you consider each and every game, the bowling rotations, uses of Varun Chakravarti, Sunil Narine, Andrew Russell, many of them will consider Stark, Vaibhav Arora and all, but Andrew Russell's bowling at death is changing.
One more comment. Manchester United 2, Manchester City 1. Yes!
It's a red weekend nonetheless. So all that 24 crores was worth it in the end.
24 crores.
He has given it at the right time when it is really needed.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he had little bad season.
I think he gave Paisa Vasool in the last 2 matches. You know, and the ball in which he bowled Abhishek Sharma, I think, is a phenomenal ball.
Was that the ball of the tournament for you?
Maybe yes.
Imagine 11 Bengalis beating a super team. What the hell happened? How did they lose? I am from Hyderabad.
Again, you know, I told you before as well, I think it's one of the knowledgeable channels. I enjoy talking to you guys. I'll miss you till the next IPL. I do not know how you're going to engage people like me, but do engage me. I want to have good conversations with you guys.
Yeah, we'll do a World Cup series, hopefully.
To find some way to engage with the fans of cricket.com.